Hi, my name is Angélica Vázquez Ortega. I am an assistant professor at Bowling Green State University, and my area of expertise is geochemistry, and I'm super excited to be here and be introducing myself to all these females, young generations that are going to be hopefully doing science in the future. What I like is that when I'm teaching my classes, it's a combination of teaching, doing research, and doing service. Like what I'm doing right now, talking to the young girls that are going to be participating in this program, this is part of the service that I like to do to the community. And I like to merge together my science, what I'm doing in my research with my teaching as well as my service. So I think that it's very nice to see how I can link together the scientific information that I'm producing in my lab also with other areas. This is something that I even get excited today, and I talk to my students, my master students, because I can have master students or PhD students. Right now I have 3 master students, and what it's actually keeping me super motivated and excited, and I want to spread that motivation into them, is that we are making science. One thing is, and it's very important to read about something that somebody else discovered, but we are doing that in my lab. We are discovering, we are answering scientific questions. We are writing scientific documents that somebody will read it and maybe apply that into their careers or, whatever other aspect they are going to be doing. Well, I do have a favorite book. It's actually, I read it in Spanish because Spanish is my first language. It's a book about different female generations and how they support each other through different stages in life, from being a young lady to being a grandmother. But it was a very moving movie on the resilience of females in a family. An advice that I will give to a younger me, maybe 18 years old Angélica, is to start early a process of planning. I think that that's very important when we want to engage in any STEM or any aspect of our life, planning. So plan every activity that you want to do in order to be successful. Do not procrastinate. That's maybe a very big word that you guys might not know what is the meaning, but it's do not do things at the last minute. Plan them and start working on things slowly. And slowly but surely, we are gonna reach the goal that we are putting in front of ourselves. So believe in yourself and plan and keep working little by little, and we are gonna be reaching those goals.